Spatchcocked green chicken with lemongrass is easy to prepare. In general, adults and children love eating it. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. To have a good marinade, the chicken must be spatchcocked. Cut the breast from the top to the bottom. Remove the fat. Score the thighs and the breast without slicing. The flesh can soak up the flavors. Now, prepare the marinade. Remove the tip and the hard leaf of the lemongrass. Then, finely mince them. Cut the ginger into chunks. Crush the garlic cloves, then peel them. Put the lemongrass in the mortar. Add half teaspoon of salt, then crush them. Add the ginger. Add the garlic cloves, crush them. Add in the mortar the sugar, the oyster sauce, the fish sauce, the Maggi aroma, the ground pepper, then mix all together. Spread the marinade all over the chicken. Then let marinate overnight in the fridge. After a night of marinade, green the chicken. You can also bake it in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius for about 50 minutes. Flip it during the cooking. We like eating it with sticky rice. Bon appétit! Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.